Welcome back to Innovent Foods. Today we are making a comforting and tasty breakfast favorite, Egg Aloo Paratha, soft, crispy and stuffed with delicious potato and egg filling. Let's start the recipe. Start with 1 cup flour, half teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon oil. Mix well. Then add 1/3 cup water and knead into a soft dough. Wrap some oil and keep aside. Now for stuffing, mash 2 boiled potatoes. Add 1 boiled egg and mash well. Use boiled potatoes that are cooled down to avoid watery stuffing. Now add half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon salt, 1 green chili, 2 tablespoon onion, and 1 tablespoon coriander leaves. Mix everything well. Potatoes are rich in fiber and vitamin C. Eggs provides high quality protein and essential nutrients. Using fresh coriander and green chili adds antioxidants. Whole wheat flour is a good source of energy and fiber. Now take some dough. Fill with the potato egg mixture. Cover well. Always keep the dough soft but not sticky for easy rolling. Now roll and flatten. Roll the paratha gently so the stuffing doesn't come out. Now fry the paratha on medium heat. Parathas are one of the most popular breakfast dishes across South Asia. The word paratha comes from parat layers and atta flour. Adding eggs to paratha makes it extra filling and protein packed. Parathas can be stuffed with endless varieties, from potatoes to paneer to even cheese. Spread some oil. Fry both sides until golden and crispy. Cook on medium heat so the paratha become crispy and evenly golden. And your egg aloo paratha is ready to enjoy. Try this egg aloo paratha for breakfast or dinner and enjoy the comfort. If you like this recipe, share it with your family and friends. Comment below with your favorite paratha stuffing. Don't forget to subscribe to Innovent Foods for more delicious homemade recipes.